In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how NetSuite can handle your business-to-business type sales orders, and more specifically, the order-to-cash process. I have another video out there that shows the e-commerce or B2C type orders. In this example, I've got a sales order for a big box retailer with 5 or so SKUs on there with a number of different quantities. I've got all of the relevant information I need for this particular order in terms of different costs, different rates, etc., etc. I've also got the shipping address and any kind of other information that I might need. I also have the ability to edit this particular sales order and send any type of sales order acknowledgement from here. I also have the ability to accept a prepayment. If I wanted to have a prepayment on here whereby I needed a customer to place a deposit, I could do that within here. Check out the e-commerce video to see that in more detail. Now, from here, we can see that the order is in a pending fulfillment status. So I'm going to go ahead and now switch roles into a warehouse manager, and we'll see how a warehouse individual will actually pick this order up, pick, pack, and ship it. I'm logged in as a warehouse associate now, and I want to go ahead and pick, pack, and ship that order that we were just created. Now, there are a number of different ways we can accomplish this within NetSuite. I have the ability to print pick tickets if I wanted to. I could fulfill orders directly. There's a number of different sub-processes within here, all the way through to handhelds, WMS, scanners, barcode technology. We'll keep it simple for the purposes of this demonstration here. I'll go ahead and use my shortcuts here to fulfill orders. This is going to give me a list of orders in the application where the status of those orders are pending fulfillment. You can see here I've got my top one here, ready to go, UPS ground, etc. I could just go ahead and fulfill that. And from here, I could go ahead and change some of these statuses. So if I wanted to track throughout the warehouse, whether it's picked, packed, and shipped, I could change the status of this particular fulfillment. Alternatively, I could just go ahead and click shipped over here, and we'll go ahead and save that. So once we've saved the transaction, you can see it's dropped off the list here, and we'll go ahead and swap back into our different role. So I'm in the role of an accounting manager, and I'll use my global search over here to find that sales order, and there it is. Let's go ahead and open that up. And you'll notice the status has changed from pending fulfillment to now pending billing. And if I click on the related records, I'll see that fulfillment transaction that I created earlier. Now, we can go back to our dashboard over here, and a standard accounting process that I have are the sales orders to invoice. So these reminders will allow me to execute on actionable items, and these are all the sales orders that I need to invoice. I can go ahead and click on the invoice over here. I could select multiple, and you can see that there are some preferences over here, whether or not I want to email or print those. And NetSuite will automate this entire process for you, and I could go ahead and just select that one, hit submit, and my invoicing process is done. Now back on the sales order, you can see that the sales order is now in a build status, and if I click on the related records, you can see both the item fulfillment and the invoice there.